Everyone, welcome to Tarot Sonali Triple Seven, and today we're gonna see what are your person's energy, what are your energy, and what are the future of this connection, basically. Okay. 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 Let's see what are your energies. Okay. So you can like, subscribe, comment, share. Okay. If you resonate it, if you feel like, okay, I would always be thankful for the comments, for the subscribes, for the likes. Okay, I'm literally thankful to you people who are supporting me. Okay, please support me ahead. Also, if you want reading from me, then yes, I'm available on WhatsApp. You can check my bio. Nice energies, viewer. Your energies are also very nice. After this we will see that what are your what is the future of this connection. Okay, is your person going to see? The cards are literally stating that this person wants to come towards you, like as fast as possible. The person feels like I'm clearly seeing a very urgency sort of an vibe with this person. Okay, the person is missing you a lot. See, the person is coming towards you, like the person feels that the person has done a lot of effort in this relationship. Okay, the person feels that the person has done a lot of effort in this relationships. That is why the person is reminiscing. I'm clearly seeing there is very the person is not talking to you, so there is a lot of quiet, very quiet sort of an I'm clearly seeing energy. Okay, but I'm also seeing that yes, see, this person wants to see this person wants to the person wants to do some sort of new beginning. When it comes to, see, the person is in this clear urgency to talk to you. Okay, see, the person will come towards you, but see, he has a lots and lots of fear of, like, he is holding on to this relationship, but the person is not going to share his feelings. ओके इंसान ना अपनी फीलिंग शेयर नहीं करेगा, दिखाएगा तो बहुत, वापस आने के बाद ये इंसान ना दिखाएगा तो बहुत दैट यस आई वॉन्ट टू, मैं ये रिलेशनशिप में आगे बढ़ना चाहता हूँ. द पर्सन हैज़ लव फॉर यू. ओके, तो क्लियरली द पर्सन इज फीलिंग दिस अट्रैक्शन, लव, everything towards you. Okay, so I'm clearly seeing that yes, he is holding his heart, he's not actually sharing his feelings. He's showing off that yes, I'm okay, very good, I'm doing well enough without that, but the person is actually holding on to this relationship and has this clear urgency to come and talk to you, but he is not going to share his feelings. Okay, also I'm clearly seeing that this person feels, see, the person wants to come back and have this emotional fulfillment. Okay, the person wants to win you back is what I'm clearly seeing. Okay, but I'm also seeing that this person wants some sort of clarity, some sort of straightforward, some sort of truth, some sort of straightforwardness in this relationship is what I'm clearly seeing. Okay, so I'm clearly seeing there is love, but right now the person wants to clear things up. Okay, wants to speak the truth, wants to clear things up. Also, I'm clearly seeing the person is missing you a lot. Okay, the person wants to come back towards you. Okay, the person wants you back at any cost. कोई भी मतलब कॉस्ट पे ये इंसान ना आपको वापस चाहता है ऑन अ वेरी नोट, बट द पर्सन डज नॉट हैव हिज थॉट्स अलाइंड। ओके, एक साइड ना इंसान क्या है, इंसान ना अपनी फीलिंग शेयर नहीं करना चाहता, तो मे बी द पर्सन विल टेक टाइम कमिंग टूवर्ड्स यू, बट हैज़ दिस inner feeling na, has this urgency, but the moment he feels that I need to go to this person, the person has this, see, very thoughtful sort of a mind, that he feels that yes, मुझे इस relationship में बहुत मेहनत भी करना पड़ेगा. Okay, however he feels this love towards you, but the thing is that the person feels that कि अब मुझे ना truth बोलना पड़ेगा, clarity लानी पड़ेगी इस relationship में. Okay, so I'm clearly seeing the person wants you back but is not ready. Like he wants you on a very superficial level कि हाँ हम दोनों फिर से मतलब बात होनी बंद हो गई है, तो कैसे मतलब two people without talking कितना बुरा लगता है एक दूसरे को एक दूसरे के बिना. तो the clearly the person has this love for you but is not ready to speak the truth is what I'm seeing. Okay, कुछ clarity वाली चीज़ें ना मतलब लाना नहीं चाहता है क्योंकि अब ना ये इंसान ना बहुत ज़्यादा दिस पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू कम टूवर्ड्स यू, इंसान ना आपकी तरफ ना बहुत अर्जेंसी के तरीके से आना चाहता है, बट ना फीलिंग शेयर नहीं करना चाहता. देर आर वेरी कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग फीलिंग्स ऑफ दिस पर्सन. एक साइड ना ये इंसान ना फीलिंग्स शेयर नहीं करना चाहता, इज होल्डिंग ऑन टू दिस रिलेशनशिप, इवन द पर्सन हैज़ लव फॉर यू, प्यार भी है, सब कुछ है, आपके पास भी आना चाहता है. हाउ एवर हिज थॉट्स आर नॉट अलाइंड, दैट इज़ वाई दिस पर्सन जब भी आना चाहता है ना, द मोमेंट ही फील्स दैट आई नीड टू गो टू अर्जेंटली, आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक टू दिस पर्सन, इस इंसान को मैं मैसेज कर देता हूँ, बात कर देता हूँ. तो क्लियरली द पर्सन फील्स कि मुझे ना सच बोलना पड़ेगा, इस रिश्ते में मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, क्लैरिटी लानी पड़ेगी. हाउ एवर ही इज़ मिसिंग यू, ही इज़ थिंकिंग ऑफ यू. Okay, so clearly I'm seeing that yes, this person has love for you, the person is feeling this passion towards you. Okay, the person wants to give you, now the person wants to give you priority as well. Okay, but I'm clearly also seeing that the person wants to come towards you, but even if this person comes towards you, this person will not share his feelings is what I'm seeing. Okay, उसको ना clearly ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि मुझे ट्रूथ, सच, ये सब कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा इस रिश्ते में. So that is why the person is thinking, the moment he feels this urgency, the very next thing he feels very contradicting sort of feeling this person has for you right now. I'm clearly seeing you are not on talking terms, but the person has a lot of love for you, a lot of missing energy I'm seeing. Okay, आपको ना past, also the person feels that you are past life sort of couple, पास्ट लाइफ सॉर्ट ऑफ सोल कनेक्शन आपका फील करता है, बट द पर्सन हैज़ दिस फीलिंग ऑफ नॉट शेयरिंग थिंग्स. ओके, सच बोलना मतलब क्लियरली इस इंसान को ना अब वापस आएगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा, इस इंसान को ना क्लैरिटी के साथ आएगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा सच बोलेगा, क्लैरिटी देगा, बट हाउ एवर दिस पर्सन वॉन्ट शेयर हिज फीलिंग्स, या मे बी द राइट नाउ द पर्सन डज नॉट वॉन्ट टू शेयर हिज फीलिंग्स, दैट इज़ वाई द पर्सन इज होल्डिंग हिमसेल्फ बैक. ओके, coming towards you. Okay, however he is feeling loved, but अब ना इनको clearly feel हो रहा है कि clarity के बिना भी ये रिश्ता नहीं चलेगा. The person has understood that कि मेहनत clearly effort करना पड़ेगा इस relationship में, which he wants to, but the moment he, the thing that is holding him back is his own feelings. Like अब वापस आएगा तो इंसान को ना सच बोलना पड़ेगा. That is why the person is not wanting to, मतलब वो ना हेस्टी डिसीजन लेना चाहता है पर ले नहीं पा रहा है. ठीक है, हेस्टीली द पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू कम टूवर्ड्स यू, बट द पर्सन हैज़ दिस क्लैरिटी ऑल्सो इन हिज माइंड कि मैं वापस आऊँगा तो वेयर विल आई टेक दिस रिलेशनशिप, एक रिलेशनशिप को कहाँ ले जाना है मुझे. ओके, कमिटमेंट देना है नहीं देना है, ऐसे ही चलाते रहना, इज़ वॉट द पर्सन इज़ थिंकिंग इन हिज माइंड. ऑल्सो द पर्सन इज फीलिंग लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट इन दिस रिलेशनशिप. ओके, प्यार तो है पर प्यार एफर्ट के बिना नहीं चलता. सिर्फ प्यार रिलेशनशिप डज नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट. ओके, सो द पर्सन फील्स दैट द पर्सन नीड्स टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स, एंड फॉर दैट दिस पर्सन नीड्स टू सी open up, which he is holding on. He's holding on to this relationship and you very tightly, but also not sharing his feelings. Okay, however he wants to in a very urgent way, like without thinking, the person rushing wants to message you very hurriedly, but then the person thinks कि वापस गया तो कमिटमेंट देना पड़ेगा, ओके प्यार तो है बट इस रिलेशनशिप को भी फर्दर एक प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन देना पड़ेगा. ओके तो द पर्सन फील्स दैट कि वो ट्रूथ, वो क्लैरिटी वो आपको देना चाहे तब जाकर वो आए. ठीक है. योर एनर्जीज आई एम क्लियरली सीइंग दैट यू आर वेरी बैलेंस. सी यू फीलिंग लोनली बट इन दिस लोनलीनेस ऑल्सो आप ना बहुत इमोशनली एंड प्रैक्टिकली काफ़ी बैलेंस फील कर रहे हो. ठीक है. हाउ एवर मे बी यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ हैप्पी एंडिंग. सी इमोशनल फुलफिलमेंट. Maybe right now you're feeling very emotional fulfillment. I'm clearly seeing you're emotionally, see, very, 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 very sort of a balanced, emotionally very fulfilled. तो मुझे तो क्लियरली लग रहा है कि इस इंसान के साथ अगर आपकी बात नहीं हो रही है तो यू आर नॉट, अपना कोई दुखी वुखी हो नहीं ज़्यादा. ठीक है. यू हैव एक्सेप्टेड दिस एंड यू आर, हाउ एवर आपको ना इमोशनल टर्मोइल्स आते रहते हैं, हाउ एवर यू आर फीलिंग लिटिल बिट quite a well lonely, but you are introspecting inside and you are understanding that you are happy without this person as well. Maybe you have in past आपने इस इंसान के साथ फैमिली, हैप्पी फैमिली, इमोशनल फुलफिलमेंट, एवरीथिंग यू मस्ट हैव सीन विद दिस पर्सन, चिल्ड्रन, फैमिली, ये सब देखा होगा. बट हाउ एवर आई एम क्लियरली सीइंग यू आर ऑल्सो वेरी क्वाइट, यू आर ऑल्सो नॉट हैप्पी विद दिस पर्सन. सो यू आर इंट्रोस्पेक्टिंग, यू हैव गॉन इनसाइड रादर देन बाहर के शोर और बाहर आउटर नॉइसेस को ना, यू हैव जस्ट calm that down and आप ना इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कर रहे हो. वेरी बैलेंस सॉर्ट ऑफ एन एनर्जी, वेरी मेच्योर, वेरी वाइज सॉर्ट ऑफ एन एनर्जी में मुझे आप दिख रहे हो क्लियरली. सो वेरी बैलेंसिंग प्रैक्टिकली एंड इमोशनली, बहुत ज़्यादा बैलेंस, वेरी मेच्योर, वेरी ऑथोरिटेटिव. ऑल्सो इमोशनल हो करना, आई एम क्लियरली नॉट सीइंग दैट यू आर ग्रीविंग. Okay, maybe some sort of cheating, betrayal must have happened. Okay, but you have accepted it. See, I've come into this acceptance sort of a zone, sort of a mode that yes, however lonely, however sad maybe I must feel, however emotional surges I am feeling, I will always remember this separation, this ending. Okay, this separation is what I will always remember. Okay, so you are in this mode. Also, you are also in this energy. Okay, you maybe see sometimes out of emotional fulfillment. See, out of emotional fulfillment, I'm also clearly seeing that you want to sometimes want to take that risk. Okay, to go to this person and talk to this person. I'm clearly also seeing this over interfering sort of an energy. So sometimes out of loneliness, out of emotional fulfillment, or some sort of emotional up and down, okay, spurs of emotions, you feel that you need to go to this person and talk to this person. However, you do not want to take that risk now. ओके, आप वो रिस्क अब लेना नहीं चाह रहे हो, यू डू नॉट वांट टू टेक दैट रिस्क ऑफ गोइंग टूवर्ड्स दिस पर्सन. आई एम क्लियरली सीइंग बहुत इमोशनली यू हैव क्लियरली एक्सेप्टेड दैट दिस पर्सन इज नॉट फॉर यू. ओके, इट इज़ गुड टू stay single is what I'm clearly seeing. See, to stay single and stay happy is what I'm clearly seeing. So you have this acceptance. Okay, also some sort of new beginning. I'm clearly seeing some sort of emotional new beginning is you are going to do, or maybe something is emotionally inside new beginning must have happened because of this acceptance. You must have felt some sort of new beginning in your life. Could be physically, like you must have found somebody else in your life, or could be that you yourself must have done a lot of introspection, a lot of healing, like emotionally fulfilled. Like the moment you accepted that this person is going to be like this only and there is no future, and the moment you have dropped this person out, you are feeling this emotional fulfillment. See, emotional fulfillment and emotional balance is what I'm seeing. Okay, so maybe you are introspecting right now. I'm clearly seeing a very calm energy, that you are into your own energy. However you miss this person, however you sometimes want to impulsively want to message this person, talk to this person, but you are not doing that. Okay, because you remember this some sort of endings, this separation, this heartbreaking sort of a situation, betrayal is something which I clearly see. So you are actually being emotionally stable right now, balanced. Okay, and also being in a very, very, very wise sort of an energy. Okay, rather than being impulsive sometimes, but you are not doing that. Okay, you're feeling this impulse, but you are not doing that, is what I'm clearly seeing. Okay, maybe you are feeling that you want to do some sort of new beginning somewhere else. Okay, I'm clearly seeing some sort of new beginning, some sort of emotional fulfillment, some sort of emotional stability. Okay, you are actually putting your, आप ना खुद का ध्यान ना खुद पे डाल रहे हो अपने अंदर. यू आर एक्चुअली इम्प्रूविंग योर सेल्फ. मुझे क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि यू आर एक्चुअली इम्प्रूविंग योर सेल्फ. ओके, हाउएवर यू आर फीलिंग लोनली but you do not want to go to this person is clearly I'm seeing. Okay, because you remember this separation, betrayal, the struggle you must have done. However you feel, I'm clearly seeing you are happy right now, emotionally very happy right now. Okay, so some sort of emotional new beginning you must have done with yourself by accepting that leave this person and move ahead. Now you only have your own life to live. Okay, so stay single, stay lonely, however lonely you feel, stay single, stay lonely, and you are going to literally, you are feeling that level of happiness. Okay, I'm clearly seeing that. So let's see what is the future of this connection. What is in future, what is going to happen in this connection. In future also I'm clearly seeing this. See this energy, the energies also haven't come that good. See, some breakthrough is coming in this relationship. Okay, this energies I'm clearly seeing, some sort of breakthrough is coming in this relationship. Basically some sort of new idea, or maybe this person will come towards you, have this idea of talking towards you. So some sort of communication is coming, but this person is going to stay rigid. However this person will come towards you, I'm clearly seeing this urgency sort of emotional spurges that I'm seeing because of this person towards you. But still this person will stay rigid. See, this person however is clinging towards you, holding on to this relationship to you, but is not ready to share his feelings, is what I'm clearly seeing. Okay, so this person will stay rigid in future as well. Okay, the person won't stay flexible. Okay, so basically he will do like, he will do things that is very much understandable to him. He won't move out of his comfort zone. Okay, I'm not clearly, like maybe juggling energy ना मुझे आपकी ज़्यादा दिख रही है. In future this relationship is going to juggle, like you should stay or should you move on, should you stay, should you move on, do you love this person, or maybe this person will come and say that I still love you and you are like I do not. Okay, so I'm clearly seeing some sort of up and down sort of an energy. Also I'm clearly seeing a very very contradictive energy, like you do not have, you both do not have. मुझे इस रिलेशनशिप में ना मेंटल कंपैटिबिलिटी, थॉट्स कंपैटिबिलिटी नहीं दिख रहा है. ओके, वन पर्सन इज नॉर्थ, वन पर्सन इज साउथ. तो क्लियर कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन इन फ्यूचर इज ऑल्सो आई एम क्लियरली सीइंग. ओके, आई एम क्लियरली सीइंग दैट दोनों के लिए जो अच्छा है ना वो नहीं हो रहा इस रिलेशनशिप में. तो रिजिडिटी, very very juggling sort of an energy, contradiction, but still some sort of breakthrough will come. Also I'm clearly seeing the person or maybe you in future are still going to stay stuck, mentally blocked. Okay, the mental blocks, contradiction, juggling energy, rigidity is also I'm clearly seeing. No flexibility. Okay, no love is I'm clearly seeing right now. See, प्रॉब्लम्स ही प्रॉब्लम्स आने वाले हैं इवन इन फ्यूचर एज वेल. इवन मुझे ना क्लियरली एक ही चीज़ ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ कोई कोई कम्युनिकेशन होगा, बट दैट कम्युनिकेशन ऑल्सो विल बी वेरी कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिव. ओके, मे बी यू विल टॉक टू दिस पर्सन and this person will not say like okay fine, the person will speak his truth but the person won't share his feelings. Okay, maybe the person will say I can't give you commitment right now. Okay, and you are like then we are done. And maybe this person will come towards you and he will be like okay fine, let's take this slow. Okay, let's for future, let's keep commitment to for future. Okay, I'm ready to give you commitment, but then you are like I do not want it, I do not want you in my life. Okay, I'm very happy without you. So I'm clearly seeing some sort of contradiction. Communication will come, but even that is going to be up and down, juggling sort of an energy. Maybe clearly one person will be rigid. I am also seeing rigidity in this relationship, mental blocks clearly. Okay, so maybe I'm clearly seeing advice that is coming for you is do not go into this relationship again, okay, by just blinding your eyes, okay. Do not blindfold your eyes just because this person could be giving you commitment or some sort of commitment, but still this commitment sort of an energy is in a very juggling sort of a mode, okay. Very slow steady sort of a commitment, very strong sort of a commitment maybe this person will give you in future, but the thing is I'm clearly seeing some sort of contradiction. I'm not at all seeing compatibility between you people, okay. I'm clearly seeing even if this communication happens about commitment, if this person talks to you about commitment, but now you would be like, I do not want to juggle in this relationship any further, okay. Also I'm not seeing that your thoughts match with each other, so there is no point of having commitment, no point of having communication, because clearly I'm stating one or both in this relationship. One person or the both people in this relationship would be mentally blocked, stressed into his own negative thought process that the person cannot feel anything positive. ओके अब ये इंसान ना कमिटमेंट भी देगा ना आपको बहुत ज़्यादा गलत लगेगा, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि ये इंसान ना झूठ ही बोल रहा है, मुझे ऐसे ही जगल करते रहना पड़ेगा इस रिश्ते में, ओके. आई एम क्लियरली नॉट सीइंग thoughts compatibility in this relationship. Now one person I'm clearly seeing you are not ready, you are very happy being single and lonely, I'm clearly seeing. So you are not ready to get this, आप कमिटमेंट आप इस इंसान से चाहते हैं, आप मूव ऑन करना चाहते हो, आप आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो, यू वांट अ वेरी न्यू इमोशनल फुलफिल सॉर्ट ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप जहाँ पर आप इमोशनली बहुत ज़्यादा ना अच्छा फील करो. यू डू नॉट वांट दिस प्रॉब्लम्स ही प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं चाहिए, विच आई एम क्लियरली सीइंग इन फ्यूचर, ओके. तो मे बी दिस पर्सन विल कम टूवर्ड्स यू फॉर वेरी स्टेबल वेरी कमिटेड सॉर्ट ऑफ अ कमिटमेंट, ओके. कमिटमेंट के कम्युनिकेशन के साथ आएगा, बट यू स्टिल विल फील इमोशनली juggling, okay, somehow. Also you are going, there is going to be contradiction between you two, between your communication, your mental thoughts. Also you are mentally very blocked, all two, both of you. I'm clearly seeing there are chances that this relationship is not gonna work, okay. So this was my reading for you people. जिन जिन लोगों को resonate किया, please like, subscribe, share, comment. I really appreciate your support also. If you want a consultation from me, then yes, I'm available. You can WhatsApp me.